So without further ado, the reason we're here tonight, I'd like to present the first award. It gives me real joy to present this award, and I do so with love and respect. She is a member of the Carrier Nation who has worked both nationally and internationally on justice and healing initiatives for nearly 20 years. She is a community leader, church and government policy lobbyist, and has managed an Aboriginal education research and health promotions unit for over 18 years. She's the recipient of numerous awards. We would be here all night if I listed them all, but some of them include the National Aboriginal Achievement Award, a United Nations Community Development Award, the Alberta Aboriginal Role Model Award, and she has been named an Officer of the Order of Canada. This individual is receiving a Champions of Mental Health Award for her commitment to facing mental health issues in Aboriginal communities and the initiatives she's undertaken to provide support for those in need, including her recent work on residential schools healing and reconciliation issues. She's worked with dozens of committees and has spoken at hundreds of conferences on the successes and the challenges that face the Aboriginal community, and tonight we honor her for her efforts. Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, accueillez la première championne de la santé mentale de la soirée. Please welcome the bewitching, wise, and healing Dr. Maggie Hodgson.
Thank you very much. First of all, I'd like to thank the grandfathers and grandmothers of this land who originated and helped us open the doors to us to be able to be present here, and to my fellow recipients. I was at a residential school forum recently, and Dr. Willie Littlechild spoke about Opinituk. And Madeline, I apologize if I don't pronounce it properly, but I practiced and practiced. And he said a former prime minister met with an elder at the time Canada was struggling. And he asked the elder, he says, how do we keep Canada together? And he said, the elder said, Opinituk. So he asked Willie, what does that mean? And he says, it means lift each other up. And all of the champions and the people in this room, one of the things that we bring with each other is an understanding of how to lift each other up. And as a woman who's had 6 strokes and the post-depression that goes with those strokes, I certainly understand the challenges that we have in dealing with the issues of our community, such as intergenerational trauma. And I hold my hands up to women who've worked on Sisters in Spirit for our missing women. I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank you. And I hold my hands up to all of you. And I encourage you. When somebody's being mean to you, put out your hand to them. Put your hand on the table and see how easy it's going to be for them to be mean to you. Thank you.